In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix where winds meet, crashing or not launching on your PS5. So the first thing we need to do is to select this game right here. As you can see, so select where winds meet, as you can see here, and then you're going to click on this button right here, as you can see on the options button on your PS5, and then you're going to click on check for update right here, as you can see. And if you don't have an update, great, you can proceed to the next step. And if you do have a new update, you have to get it, of course, but the next step is going to be to go into settings right here. And then go into users and accounts, and then you're going to go into other right here and restore licenses. Then select where wind meets here and click on restore, and then click on yes right here, as you can see. And just wait a couple of seconds for it to restore. Might take you a couple of seconds here, as you can see. Now when it's done, go back into this page right here, and then you're going to scroll down and click on System, and then click on System Software Update and Settings, and make sure that this one is up to date. If it's not, just update it using internet right here. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.